Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak easily. First, let's choose the perfect cut. Ribeye, New York strip, and sirloin are excellent choices for their flavor and tenderness. When selecting your steak, look for good marbling, which are the small flecks of fat throughout the meat. This marbling melts during cooking, adding incredible juiciness and taste. A thickness of about 1 to 1.5 inches is ideal for even cooking and a beautiful crust. Now, let's prepare our steak for cooking. It's crucial to pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a fantastic sear. Next, season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Don't be shy with the seasoning. For optimal results, let your steak sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. This ensures more even cooking from edge to center. For a perfect crust and juicy interior, pan searing is key. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, preferably cast iron, over high heat until it's lightly smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan. Sear for 2 to 4 minutes per side for a beautiful brown crust and a medium-rare finish. Adjust cooking times for your desired doneness. The final and perhaps most important step is resting your steak. Once cooked, immediately transfer it to a cutting board. Do not cut into it right away. Allow the steak to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your steak against the grain to maximize its tenderness. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.